Hello and welcome to Meditation Zen. In this session, we will use our breath as a tool to relax our body and mind and prepare ourselves for a good night's sleep. Before we begin, make sure you're in a comfortable position, either lying down or sitting up. You can use a pillow, a blanket, or anything else that makes you feel cozy and warm. Turn off any distractions, such as your phone or TV, and dim the lights or close your eyes if you prefer. Take a moment to settle in and notice how you are feeling right now. Are you feeling tired, anxious, stressed, or maybe calm and relaxed? Whatever you are feeling is okay. Just acknowledge it without judging it. Now bring your attention to your breath. Notice how it flows in and out of your body. Feel the air entering through your nose or mouth and filling up your lungs. And feel the air leaving your body as you exhale. Don't try to change your breath in any way. Just observe it as it is. Notice the rhythm, the pace, the depth of your breath. And notice how your chest and abdomen rise and fall with each breath. As you breathe in this way, you may notice some thoughts or emotions coming up in your mind. That's normal and natural. Don't try to suppress them or get rid of them. Just let them be there and gently bring your attention back to your breath. You can also use a simple mantra to help you focus on your breath. A mantra is a word or phrase that you repeat silently in your mind. For example, you can use the mantra, "I am breathing," and say it to yourself as you inhale and exhale. So as you breathe in, say in your mind, "I am." And as you breathe out, say in your mind, "Breathing." I am breathing. I am breathing. Keep repeating this mantra as you follow your breath. If you lose track of it or get distracted by something else, just start again from where you left off. I am breathing. I am breathing. As you do this, you may notice that your breath becomes slower and deeper. That's a sign that you are relaxing and calming down. Your heart rate and blood pressure are lowering. Your muscles are releasing tension. And your mind is becoming more quiet and peaceful. Continue to breathe in this way for a few more minutes. I will let you know when it's time to end the meditation. Now it's time to end the meditation. You can stop repeating the mantra and just breathe normally. Take a moment to appreciate how you feel right now. Do you feel more relaxed, more sleepy, more peaceful? You can stay in this state for as long as you like. Or if you are ready to go to sleep, just let go of everything and drift into a deep and restful sleep. Thank you for joining me in this guided meditation for sleep. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. Have a good night and sweet dreams.